spin wheel challenge, right?
Yeah. So we
And
got
who's gonna be making slime with you?
my sister. So guys, the ingredients is some little ball things. The glue, the purple, blue, pink, and then I have glue, white glue, and glitter, more glitter.
Gonna spin the wheel to see who gets to spin the wheel first, I guess.
Yeah, me first.
So let's do it. Me!
Okay, guys.
So our next choice is gonna be what we mix with. So since I got it last time, I get to spin first.
Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
Okay, I get to mix with a spoon.
You.
So you get to go.
How do I do it?
Click it.
Come on, please. A fork? A fork? A fork?
Okay, so next we're gonna do what color glue? Since I got to go first last time, you get to go first this time.
Yeah.
And we are using plastic cups to mix with.
Okay, I got purple.
You got blue.
Blue?
Here. Yeah, so you get the blue glue.
How did I get blue?
Oh. Okay.
Doesn't like you.
Alright.
I want to start with this.
Since
I'll
we
just
got
finish this.
our colors, we're just gonna go ahead and put however much glue that we want.
Okay. You go like this. This is how you're supposed to do it. Oh, mine looks awesome. We're gonna.
That was satisfying.
That was satisfying.
There's like so much that's just not even coming
We
out.
are going to show you our slime at the end. So whenever we're done.
Okay.
We're
We
back.
had to take a mini break because we didn't have any slime activator, so we had to make some.
Yeah.
So we already got our glue and everything in our cups.
Yep.
So we just have water in this cup and then our slime activator in this one.
Yeah.
And we also got lotion. We've never made slime with lotion before.
Let's see how it turns out.
Yeah. And we're not going by any type of recipe.
Yeah.
We're just gonna literally start pouring stuff and trying to make it cool.
Yeah. That's
So,
why
yeah.
I have a freaking fork.
Yeah, have fun using the fork to get your slime activator.
Can you pour some in mine, please?
You can literally just pick up the cup and pour some in. It's no biggie.
We have to do water and activator. I have to do both of them. Okay.
Ew. I literally just poured a little bit of the slime activator and a little bit of the water. Maddie, that's way too much. Start mixing.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think this is gonna turn out.
I have so much. Hey, I would rather add a much. Mine's turning out perfect. Look at mine. Haha.
I'm so jealous.
Haha.
Mine is poop.
Mine's gonna be the better slime.
Shut up.
That's why you should add a lot. Look at it. Look how cool. Look.
I'm struggling
Look,
so
look.
bad right now. Okay.
I just want to go show Mom mine.
This freaking flannel keeps falling.
But she was like, she was talking to, I think, the Disney people. I don't know.
Oh god.
Look how cool mine is,
Hers
guys.
is like the perfect consistency and mine
She
is-
said that I put too much, but I didn't. I put just enough.
Look at mine.
Look at mine. Ah! Look at mine, guys. Look.
now you have to take it out and like work it with your hands to make it the actual like slime. Maddie, open up your lotion. And hit the close button on my phone. Thank you. Grab the lotion, Maddie. Put some on my slime.
How many minutes enough?
Yeah.
Do we have to do the spinning wheel? Do we have to do the
Not for
spinning
the
wheel?
lotion, no.
Oh, but for those ingredients. Look at mine. Mine's so sticky. Look.
So is mine.
Ugh. This is disgusting. Oh,
You
wow.
have it all over you.
Yeah, because. Oh. Ew, it just looks. Come on.
Mine is like a glue mess right now.
Look at mine. No, mine is. Look.
I think I'm gonna add some more glue activator to mine.
Can you put like a little bit of lotion, just a little bit?
Oh my gosh.
Can you just put a little bit of lotion, just a little bit? There's enough.
Now go. Full send. Go. It's about to fall. Oh, I have your glue on me. So this is what mine looks like right now.
This is what mine looks like so far.
As of now, I'm winning this comp, so.
No, it's not a comp. It's a competition, not a
I
comp.
just said, dog.
No, you said comp.
This is like the perfect slime. It's not too slimy, but it's like super fun to play with. Like this slime is kind of lame. This kind that we made earlier is kind of stupid because it breaks.
Earlier. I
A
can't
while
do
ago.
it. Can you? Don't you dare face it toward me. Oh God! Look at this.
Meanwhile, you jealous?
Yeah. Just a lot, actually. It feels so weird, dude.
So I just came to the rescue and pretty much helped Madison. That's all we could save of all of our glue that she started out with. You wasted this whole bottle and was left with. Why is it still sticking to you like that? It doesn't stick to me like that.
What's it?
Here's your another cup to put your actual slime in. Okay. Now we need to clean up a little bit so we can do the spinner again. Okay.
So guys, look at my slime. It sticks to my hands, but it doesn't stick to hers.
Okay, come on, Maddie. It's time to do the spinner wheel for the glitter.
Look at it.
You can go first.
Okay, click it for me.
Okay.
What did I get?
Dark blue glitter.
Yay, that would match.
That's kind of lame, though.
I know. It is because I have blue. Can I go again?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So Maddie got purple glitter.
Yay!
That's sparkles.
Oh.
You get purple glitter.
Here, you have to get your.
I guess we could do one of each. So you can do the dark blue of these and then the purple glitter. Okay?
Okay.
So do both.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good.
Don't add too much of that stuff. That stuff will be annoying. Now mix it. Yeah, I would say you might have to mix it with your hands. It's gonna be like kind of messy, but. So now it is my turn to choose my colors.
Oh, guys,
Maddie, stop.
look
So
at
I
it.
have dark blue glitter.
Why does everybody keep on getting dark blue? Well, both of us.
And then what kind of sparkles?
Come on, please.
This is glitter again. Oh, I did all of them glitter. Okay, so we have dark blue and I'm not doing the same colors as you. That's lame.
That is lame. Oh my god!
Dark blue and silver. Okay.
Oh, you lucky girl. Just kidding, no match.
Okay, so I got blue and silver. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some blue. And then, so I just like put in that much. And then I'm gonna kind of want a lot of these.
Can I put more in mine? I want more of those
Okay.
blue glitters.
So that's what it looks like.
Can I see it? Mine.
Okay, so we also have these, and we're gonna spin the wheel to see if we get them or if we don't.
Okay, this isn't sticking to my hand anymore. Is this my turn?
I don't get them. It's your turn. You don't get them either. It's a sign, Madison. So just to make this even more fun, we're just gonna add whatever glitters and sparkles that we want. Okay.
No,
Maddie?
I get balls.
Okay, Maddie. We're just gonna add whatever glitter and stuff that we want now.
Okay. Right, and the beginning, isn't it? We gotta take like 30
Got some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Looking at it, put you in a trance.
Ah, yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
Oh, God. So that's what mine looks like. Now I'm gonna put like, no.
It's cute now color. Oh my god.
Oh my God, so cute. Look at this. So guys, if you guys vote for my slime, pick
Hashtag what?
hashtag perfect slime.
For mine, pick hashtag barf slime. Oh yeah.
Mine wins.
Mine wins.
Not mine wins. Guys,